All right, guys, ready? Okay, so guys, we're going to use the change of base form because they all have different bases. See the 3, the 9, and the 27, 81. They even gave us the hint. They even told us what to do. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to keep changing around these, okay? Now, I think what we're going to do is we're going to agree that I think 3 should be the new base. Oh, sorry, not 3. T should be the new base. Okay, so what do? I say log t base t, and on the bottom log what is it? 3 base t. Is that okay with you guys? And what about the next one? Log what is it? T base 9. Oh, sorry, no, I'm wrong. T base t, and then on the bottom 9 base t. Okay. Oh, sorry, 9 base t. Next one after that, log. What do we think? T base t, and then on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Log 27 base t, and then after that, log tt base log 81 base t. Okay, and equals 10. Okay. All right. Now, I think I have an idea. What happens to all the tops? So that's log, not the cancel, but they're all 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Log t base t is 1. Log 20 base 20 is 1. Any log to the same base is always 1. Okay. Now, here's where I'm starting to struggle because all the denominators are different than each other, aren't they? So there's 4 different denominators. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need some way to make them similar to each other. Okay. Now there's a hint in the answer. There's a hint in the question I'm in. 3r means there must be all multiples of 3. So what could I change 9 into? 3 squared, all right? 27. Huh? 3 cubed, yeah. 81. 3 to the power 4. Now, you're going to see that this is going to get a bit easier now. Oh, sorry, that's 3 to the power 3, and the other one's 3 to the power 4. Okay, I know. Now, we're going to use the power rule. What's the power rule? Yeah, it's the 2 for the first one, but the second one, I mean. And the next one? Starting to look a lot nicer now, isn't it? And then next one? What is it? And that all equals 10, right? I have an idea. We definitely need a common denominator. Common denominator is essential. Otherwise, we're going nowhere. What number will 2, 3, and 4 divide into? 12. Have an idea. We're going to change everything into 12 on the bottom. So what do we do with the first one? 12 over 12 log. Yeah. I'm going to save myself a bit of time here, okay? I'm going to write just one big fraction. Is that okay? Because they're all going to be over 12. All right, guys. So look at this. And that's 12 top and bottom, yeah? So 12 log 3 base t. Go with that? What about this one? 6 top and bottom. So plus 6 on the top. Next one, what's top and bottom? 4. 1 after that? 3. And that still equals 10, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm turning everything into a 12 on the bottom. So I'll multiply top and bottom by 6, top and bottom by 4, top and bottom by 3. That gives them all a common denominator of 12 log 3 base t. So whatever you do at the top, I have to do at the bottom. No, not if I put the number in front. It doesn't do anything. Okay. You're going to see, you might see an example in a second. Now, lads, what's 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3? Pretty sure it's 25, is it? Now I'm going to cross multiply up that 12. The 12 multiplies by the 10 and you leave the log alone. So 120 log 3 base t. Grab the 120 and put it underneath 25. What do you get? Anybody at all? Well, somebody. 5 over 24? 24, that'll do me. Okay. 5 over 24, you said? Okay, now. Okay, how do we do this again? How'd you get rid of a log? I think what I'm looking at here is what's it? 3 equals t to the power of what? 24. Okay. Now, here's what I'm thinking. Imagine we had x squared equals 3. What would you do? You square root there? 3. If I t to the power 3 equals what's it? T to the power 3 equals 27 for argument's sake. What would I do there? Cube root it, wouldn't I? And what's the other way of doing it? You turn the fraction. You do a third, don't you? And what would this one be then? 3 to the power of a half. Yeah. So here's what I'm thinking now. All right. Imagine x to the power of a half is 5. One basically saying root x is 5. What can you tell me x is? 25? Was it 25? Square root of 25 is. Well, look at the trick here. Throw the fraction over the other side and turn it upside. I'm gonna say that's one of the most difficult log questions I've done. Okay, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is gonna bring it over to the other side. See the way I turned the half upside down? What I'm thinking is I'm gonna do t equals 3 to the power 24 over 5. Just gonna do this for a minute. Is that all right? So explain what log m base 6 means, where m is a real positive number. Okay, what would log 36 base 6 mean? We know the answer is no, 2. Okay, so log 6 base 6 means how many sixes you need to multiply by themselves to get the 6. How do I change my answer into log m base 6? What's the word I need to change? 36 with m. And there we go. It's not too bad, is it? Oh, probably. If you can, try and spell multiply correctly. Guys, m is a real number and m is bigger than 6. What does this information give you about the value of log m base 6? Now, let's try this, right? What happens if m was 6? What is 6 base 6? 1. Any number above 6, for example, 36, the answer will be 2. So it means the answer is, it means log m base 6 has to be bigger than 1. Because m is bigger than 6. So anything above 6, the answer is going to be bigger than 1. Is that right? I'll do one for